Yo, what's up? I'm feeling kind of sad, so I'm just gonna go for a nighttime drive and bring y'all along. So let's go. There's a spot with some cool cars down here, so we're gonna stop and see if they have anything cool right now. Just some like Cayennes. Oh, I like that Beamer. So I don't really have a plan right now. I think I'm just gonna go to a parking lot and kind of like chill out, get some vibes, you know. Oh. Gotta get some poles in, you know. Skirt. I love my car so much. Like it just looks so good. I mean, even though it's stock, like I haven't done anything to it because I'm broke, I still love it.
I've been called a menace, a demon to feed. Every once in a while, a few nice things take over the game and rewrite things. So if you ain't about that life, pussy, don't intervene. If you ain't really smoking doty, pussy, don't try me. Just a killer smoking killer ants, justify the means. Highly unlikely that she for free, but I still hit last second Lilith from 3.
Walmart time. Okay, I'm about to pass out from panicking. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, but whatever I'm doing, I'll take you guys along for. So, yeah.